What's up YouTube? Today I'm working on this beautiful 2004 BMW Z4. In this episode I'm going to show you how to fix your convertible top if it doesn't work at all. You can hear your front motor, but your light is flashing when you try to open the top. So this is common issue in these cars. Usually hydraulic motor is burned. So I will try to replace the motor without moving the whole top. So if not, I have to move the top and replace as well. So follow me and I'll show you how to fix that issue. So first what I'm going to do, I'm gonna open the trunk and move this shelf, and I will see if I can get to the motor. Motor should be on that left side. So guys, to move the shelf, you just need to pop 3 kind of clips right there on one side, and the same thing on this side. Do it like that. And this shelf is gonna come off. So there's our motor, and I try to get it from here, from the trunk, and we will see if I can get it. So how you can see, someone taped it before and it's all wet. It should be full of water. Here's the motor, and I just reach it from the back. I don't have to move the top. So guys, this is our motor. How you can see, it's full of water because it's located in a spot where is the drain line from the convertible top going, and water always gonna be here. So we're gonna replace the motor and relocate this pump to the different place that is never gonna get rusty or get water. So guys, that was much easier than I thought. All those videos on YouTube, it's showing like you need to move your top to get to the hydraulic pump. So how you can see, it's possible to do it from the trunk. And I got the new motor from eBay. This is how it looks like. I'm gonna replace it. I'm gonna leave link in description below, part number, a link that you can buy it for yourself. So let's put it in and see if it's gonna help. So guys, it's T25. So guys, if you get the motor like that without this top piece, what you need to do, you need to take the pipe or socket, stuff like that, that your pump gonna fit here, and you take the hammer and you tap on this part, and this should come off, and you will see 2 bolts inside. You need to move them, take apart this one over there. How you can see, you need to take them off, move this cap, move this mechanism, and put this part on top of new motor and tight those 2 bolts. So I separate these parts. Now I'm gonna take the new one, move this part, and screw it back in. To do that, you see those pins, you just need to tape them back, and this cap with everything should come off. I took it off this part, and looks like there's no way to put the screw in it. So don't buy this kind of a motor for the Z4. Just buy one with this part. There's gonna be whole thing. You just put it in the car and it's good to go. So I'll try to work something out with this. I'm gonna try if it works, and I'm gonna reorder another one and put it in. Alright guys, I have complete part now, and now I'm gonna put it in and try and see how it's gonna work. So guys, this is kind of fluid that I'm using now. You can search a little more and find the right one, but let's see if it's gonna work with this. So guys, make sure you have your shelf back in the place. It should be down to open the top, and this latch, if you want to open manual, you can switch this, but it should be in a place like that. Alright guys, let's see how it's gonna work. So total cost on this fix was around $100. So try to check if your motor is bad before you give it to some mechanics. You can do it by yourself. You don't have to take all the roof out. It's possible to do from the trunk. And guys, that's it. We're all set and good to go.